Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on setting your project directory before starting a project in Maya. This is the number one step that you need to do every single time before you start something new in Maya. This will help keep your files, renders, and any other assets separated so that you don't overwrite an existing project when you start a new one. To do this, we go to File, Project window. In this window, you'll see the current project name, which will more than likely be the last one you worked on. You'll also see its save location here. To set a new directory, we have to do New, and then give it a name. You need to avoid using special characters or spaces. If you want to use more than one word, you need to separate them with an underscore. But be careful not to use those special characters, periods, or any other punctuation marks, which could lead to the renders not working later or to crashes. If you need to change the save location of your project, you can click on the folder here and set a new location. By default, it's going to be in your Documents folder under Maya and Projects, whether you are Windows or Mac. When you're done, click Accept. Now, we've only just created the project directory. We haven't actually saved this file yet. So I'm going to hit Command S or Control S if you are on a Windows. And it'll bring up the Save Scene file. And you'll notice that it goes into the Scenes directory. So now again, I can save my file name with no special characters. And now the file is saved. From this point forward, Maya will now default to this project directory, to this file when you open it. So if you start a Maya file like the blob, and then 2 days later you need to change it while you're still working on the blob, you're going to have to go back and set the project again. But that's an easy process as well. Let's go to File, Set Project. If I needed to change the project I'm working on, I simply browse to where it is. So if I want to go back to my SodaCan project, I double-click SodaCan, make sure that all these folders are visible in the window, and then I click Set. Then if I save my scene, you'll notice it goes to that directory now. Again, this is very important to have your project set in the correct place in order for your renders to go to the right directory. If you have one project set and then you start a new one and you don't change that window settings or change the project settings, your renders will overwrite the existing ones and you could lose a lot of work and time. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you all.